They are not saying that I have or my client has entered into a criminal conspiracy to commit an act under 304 Part 2. My arguments before the court was that you can never have a conspiracy to create an accident, because accident by its very nature is all of a sudden. So all that argument goes waste, because that conspiracy, if at all, assume without admitting the worst possible hypothesis against my client, that my client was involved in a conspiracy. The conspiracy is not to commit an offence under 304. The conspiracy, if any, is only to shield the accused, which is a separate offence under the IPC, which I have already quoted the 3 sections, and those 3 sections being bailable, the conspiracy to commit a bailable offence also becomes bailable, and that is what is our argument before the court. The court was kind enough to appreciate those arguments, and it has now fixed it for orders. So we are hopeful of getting a bail.